Hey there, the Food Hub here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are making a classic British tea time treat, rock buns. They are crumbly, sweet, and super easy to make. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, sift the flour, baking powder, nutmeg, salt together. Please note, while adding your baking powder, ensure it doesn't mix with the salt. So if you add your salt to one side, you add your baking powder the other side, because if you put them in the same place, yeah, your baking powder won't be active. Mix the dry ingredients together. Shout out to Ifadikachi Okafor all the way from Germany. Add your cold butter and rub it into the flour until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. In a plate, add your sugar and milk and mix before pouring into your flour mixture. Make a well in the middle and pour your liquid into your flour mixture. Now add your eggs and mix to incorporate. Gradually add your water. You are looking for a stiff, slightly sticky dough and not too watery. So you have to add your water bit by bit for you to be able to regulate or to achieve the perfect consistency for your rock buns. Enjoy the process. Yes, this is the perfect consistency. Can you see that? Look at the way it dropped. Yeah. Preheat some cooking oil and gently scoop your batter into the oil. Just as seen in this video, you are to fry this for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. Don't worry about making them perfect. The rugged look is what gives rock buns their name. Oops, look at that. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. Just take a look at our rock buns. They should be firm to the touch, but still a little soft inside. Now let's see how the inside of our rock buns looks. Wow, amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Bye!